Man, what's going on, y'all? Let me ask y'all a question, man. What do y'all prefer, lease cars or used cars? Like, cause I swear, man, all y'all used car salesmen, not all y'all, but a lot of y'all is killing the game. And I'm not saying that in a good way. I'm saying that in a way that you can't be trusted. How many of y'all have bought a bad used car? Because there's a lot of them out there. There's a lot of used car places. I went to a used car place and asked them about a vehicle, and they said, well, we'll fix everything once you buy it. No, man, this ain't how this works. I'm not putting no money on no vehicle because I know you don't know what's wrong with it. You can't just tell me you had a vehicle on your lot for a week that you got from the auction and you're an expert on it. You don't know what if it got any leaks or not. You don't know to check engine light on. They'll sell you anything in a used car spot. It's crazy, man. I see why people go to lease vehicles. And I ain't mad at them for it. Because used car salesmen be lying. Aren't you supposed to... Don't you want customers for life, not just somebody that you can come and, you know, rob for $4,000 and they come cuss you out and you never see them again? Don't you want customers for life? Ain't that how businesses work? I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all thought. Do y'all prefer them? Because, I mean, I guess, you know, buy here, pay here. You could pay on it for 4 years or whatever, or 6 years or whatever it is, and then be done with it. Or if you get a lease a car, just pay on it for 3 years and you can't go over your mileage. That's cool. If you actually want to do, but for me, I like to own mine. I like to own mine outright. But you just don't know who to trust. That's the bad part about it. Let me know what y'all think. Used car, and before I let this video go, I know some used car people are gonna be out there probably mad, but it don't matter. I'm a customer. You're supposed to satisfy people so they can come back to you, so they can refer people, not just burn somebody for $4,000 and then can't sell another car for another 2 years. I've been to used car places, and they had the same vehicles in the same spot for like 4 years. And you can go up to them and ask them about this car, and they'll swear up and down it's a good vehicle. Like, that's what I mean. And we get snow. This is New York State. We get snow here. Can't have any, the worst thing you can do for a vehicle is to let it sit there. You can't let no vehicle sit there that long, man, and tell me there ain't nothing wrong with the lines and it's a good vehicle. Let me know what y'all thought. You don't know who to trust no more.